Okay, it's time to rehydrate all the meals that I've tried to dehydrate. These are still in the experimental phase. So, got 3 pots of hot water going. The first big pot, I'm going to try my spaghetti. I have maybe about 2 cups of water in there. I'm going to put a few chunks in there. There's about 2 cups of water in there, so I'm guessing that might be enough. You can always add water as it cooks. And if it turns out to be a little too soupy, you can always simmer to reduce the water. The next pot, I have another pasta type meal. It is pasta and wagon wheels. So this is another experiment. I'm going to rehydrate these, cook them up. And then in the third pot, I have a wagon wheel pasta with beef and veggies. So those will go in the next pot. Add a little more heat to these. Shouldn't take too long to rehydrate. Like I said, this is all an experiment, so please bear with me. If it fails, hey, I learned something. Maybe you learned something. If it's a success, then it's maybe good camping options. Primarily, that's what I use this for, is for camping. I'll dehydrate fruits, meats for camping. I've got those set at a lower temperature, so you don't want those to boil away. But I do want them to keep on cooking so that they'll rehydrate properly. Give you a better look inside the pots. So the dishes have only been cooking for about 10 minutes. My water proportions were just right. That looks like it should. It's thickened up just enough. Spaghetti, linguine pasta turned out just right, as well as my soup. Now the noodles in the soup, the wagon wheels, look like they broke down a little bit. So I'll have to remember that next time. Maybe not cook them as long when I make the initial batch of soup. So, looks good. I'll give it a quick try. Okay. Very good. Give this a try. It's good. No lingering aftertastes. And this. Big success. So other than maybe modifying my soup recipe with either different noodles or maybe cooking it initially a little bit less so the noodles don't break down quite as early, I think it all tastes good and turned out pretty well. Enjoy.